Hello there, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we reveal the secrets of financial success and everything linked to money. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's likely to spark your interest: the 10 assets that have the ability to explode your income and lead you to riches. So take your notepads and prepare to unleash the power of strategic investments to make your financial aspirations a reality. But keep in mind that while these assets have the potential to bring in significant money, you must walk carefully and do your homework. Let us now embark on this enlightening adventure. Let's get started with the first of 10 assets that can make you earn lots of money, and that is real estate. 1. Real estate property ownership and rental income. All right, my potential real estate tycoons, let's open the doors to the enthralling world of real estate, where plain properties transform into havens of wealth and opportunity. Imagine owning a piece of the earth that not only grows in value over time, but also sends money your way every month like a nice neighbor waving cash. It's like having your own ATM, and no PIN is needed for this type of withdrawal. And here's a juicy tidbit for you. Barbara Corcoran, the real estate guru, once transformed a $1,000 loan into a huge multi-million-dollar property empire. If it doesn't make you want to put on a hard hat and start making your fortune, I don't know what will. Plus, isn't becoming a real estate tycoon similar to playing Monopoly? Except you're dealing with real money and there's less dispute about who gets to wear the top hat. But wait, that's just the start. Let's shift gears and explore a realm where numbers and dreams mix. 2. Stocks and equities. Investing in shares of publicly traded companies. All right, my financial thrill seekers. Buckle up for a ride more thrilling than a roller coaster made of dollar bills. We're digging into the exciting world of stocks and equities. Consider this. You own a piece of your favorite company without having to deal with office politics. It's like having your own virtual CEO, but without the awkward team-building sessions. Now let's talk about some success stories that will make you want to get your hands on those stock tickers. The Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, he turned a tiny investment into Berkshire Hathaway, a corporation with enough money to buy a small country. And let's not forget to mention Oprah Winfrey, who converted her intelligence into a media empire worth more than a few talk show chairs. So, my fellow potential stock market tycoons, be ready to ride the Wall Street waves, where your cunning movements could make you the talk of the trading town. Stocks are your golden passport to financial mastery, whether you're sipping coffee in your PJs or scheming world dominance. At the same time, it carries risks too. Before getting into anything, develop a good knowledge. All right, let's move on to the next asset that will make you earn lots of money. 3. Bonds. Fixed income securities providing regular interest payments. Let us now discuss bonds, the financial world's unsung hero. Consider yourself a moneylender, but without the awkward, "Can I borrow $1" exchanges? Rather, you lend money to governments or businesses who reimburse you with interest. It's like being the cool friend who everyone wants to borrow money from, except you receive something in return. Have you ever heard of Warren Buffett? Yes, the man who is nearly a legend in the world of investment. He's not unfamiliar with the attraction of bonds. "Hey, stocks are cool, but let's add some reliable income to the mix," he says. Consider bonds to be your financially responsible sidekick. They may not have capes, but they certainly know how to make you smile when those interest payments arrive. Remember that while stocks are the investment world's rock stars, bonds are the constant rhythm that keeps your financial song in tune. So, as we travel through the vast world of wealth-building assets, remember to offer a nod to these dependable companions, bonds. Now that we've navigated the calm waters of bonds, it's time to guide our ship towards the horizon of entrepreneurial chances. 4. Business ownership. Owning or investing in profitable businesses. All right, let's dive deeply into the fascinating world of business ownership, where you'll be the star of your own show. Consider this. You're not simply playing the game. You're writing the rules and earning the benefits. It's like running a marathon, where each stride puts you closer to financial victory. Consider Elon Musk, the real-life Tony Stark who transformed PayPal into the mind-boggling SpaceX and Tesla. Then there's Oprah Winfrey, who built a media empire out of a talk show. These titans demonstrate that the business world is about more than just making money. It's also about realizing your most audacious dreams. Whether you're inventing the next technological revolution in your garage or investing in an existing treasure, Business ownership gives you the ability to turn your ideas into gold. So prepare to rekindle your entrepreneurial spirit and enter a world where creativity is your currency and success is your trademark. But hold on to your hopes, for we're about to enter the world of creativity and innovation. 5. Intellectual property. Patents, copyrights, and royalties from creative work. Prepare to set sail into the fascinating world of intellectual property. It's a treasure trove of the imaginative world. We're diving into the world of patents, which protect your clever innovations, copyrights, which give your artistic masterpieces a legal high five, and royalties, which keep pouring even when you're relaxing with your favorite snack. Let's talk about some real-life legends. Have you ever heard of George Lucas? He not only created Star Wars, but also built it into an interplanetary empire of intellectual property treasure. And what about J.K. Rowling, the literary sorceress herself? She elevated Harry Potter from mere words to a wonderful land of imagination and royalties with the touch of her pen. It's like having your ideas work for you while you're sitting in your PJs sipping cocoa. Take that. Corporate desks. So whether you're inventing the next revolutionary device or writing a narrative that could give Shakespeare a run for his money, keep in mind that intellectual property is your golden ticket to turning your creativity into cold, hard cash. Your work could become the next masterpiece of royalty checks. Now that we've unleashed our creative power, let's transition to an asset that has stood the test of time. 6. Precious metals, gold, silver, and other valuable metals. All right, treasure hunters, it's time to talk about bling that's more than simply a fashion statement. Precious metals. Consider them the Kardashians of investments. Gleaming, gorgeous, and always in the spotlight. Our mainstays, gold and silver, have been sought after since cavemen traded their first shining pebble. But we're not stopping there. We've got a whole slew of valuable metals that might add some significant zing to your portfolio. Remember when famed investor George Soros bet everything on gold? That's equivalent to the gold standard for gold investments. And don't forget about silver. It's like the fun younger sibling with its own distinct appeal. It's no surprise that people like Warren Buffett have a sweet spot for silver. So, whether you invest in gold, silver, or any other precious metal, you're shining bright like a financial superstar. Remember that when you grasp a gleaming gold bar, you're holding more than simply a piece of metal. You're carrying a piece of history, luxury, and perhaps even a touch of magic. So, prepare to dazzle and let these metals put the precious in your portfolio. But hold on to your digital wallets, because the next asset on our journey is a digital phenomenon that's changing the game. 7. Cryptocurrencies. Digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Prepare yourself, crypto explorers, because we're going to dive into the digital rabbit hole that is cryptocurrency. Consider them the investment world's rebels, virtual mavericks shaking up the traditional game. Imagine Elon Musk tweeting about Dogecoin while sipping a cappuccino, and you'll be halfway there. Just ask the Winklevoss twins, who transformed their Bitcoin ambitions into a multi-billion-dollar business. It's like having your financial cake and digging it at the same time. But keep in mind that cryptocurrencies are similar to that roller coaster you're afraid of but secretly want to ride. It's thrilling, has ups and downs, and may cause you to scream or cheer. In today's case, scream. It's a wild trip, folks. So, whether you're a tech-savvy investor or just interested about the next big thing, get ready to ride the waves of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Who said earning money couldn't be a virtual adventure? From the digital realm of cryptocurrencies, let's take a step back into the world of tangible treasures. 8. Collectibles. Valuable items like art, antiques, and rare collectibles. Okay, fellow treasure searchers, think again if you thought collecting was only about stamp albums and odd hobbies. We're venturing into the realm of collectibles, where passion meets profit, and your flair for uncovering jewels can lead to a less conventional life. Have you ever heard of the legendary Steve Jobs? Obviously, who doesn't know him? Yes, the tech whiz who co-founded Apple. He was a huge fan of old electronics items. That's right, while he was busy changing the world, he was also enjoying the art of collecting. Then there's Ellen DeGeneres, who's not only a delightful host, but also a shrewd collector of spectacular artworks. So when you're looking for that one-of-a-kind antique or rare comic book, realize that you're not simply collecting. You're investing in pieces of history that may appreciate as much as your sense of adventure. From the treasure troves of collectibles, let's transition to an asset that's all about receiving while you're giving. 9. Dividend-yielding investments, investments that provide regular dividend income. Consider yourself relaxing with your favorite beverage while your investments shower you with income. Welcome to the world of dividend-paying investments, where the satisfaction of receiving is as sweet as sipping a cup of comfort. Companies such as Johnson & Johnson have been paying dividends for decades, demonstrating that this method provides a constant stream of cash. Prepare to enter the world of passive income, where your smart investments work hard to provide you with financial security. But remember, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. So, from financial assets, let's talk about an asset that holds the key to your personal growth. 10. Education and skills, personal development skills and knowledge. Here's the secret sauce, my friends. Knowledge and talents are assets that transcend all others. Learning is similar to planting seeds of possibility that can blossom into forests of possibilities. Consider Bill Gates, who is an eternal student who is always broadening his horizons. Whether you're learning to code or learning a new language, investing in yourself is the ultimate asset that can lead to higher wages and more pleasure. So get ready to start on a voyage of self-discovery, because the greatest treasure is found within yourself. Conclusion. And there you have it. Fellow adventurers, the 10 amazing assets that could pave the route to a financial abundance. These assets are like keys that open doors to inconceivable potential, from real estate aspirations to intellectual property excursions. But keep in mind that every journey requires careful planning, study, and a dash of bravery. So whether you're navigating the stock market or exploring the realm of creativity, go out with confidence and carve your own road to wealth. Keep exploring, learning, and pursuing your aspirations. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more important financial contents like this. Until next time.